In this video, we are going to see that if you want to lock the WhatsApp application, because many people use your mobile phone and you don't want them to have an access to your WhatsApp messages, what you can do is you can set a lock with the fingerprint here. And it's very simple to do. All you have to do is just go to the top right and just click on these three dots. And once we're here on the bottom, we can see this settings. And once you're in settings, the next thing you want to do is just go to privacy, which is the second option, and scroll all the way down to the bottom. And here you see this app lock option. Click on that. And here it says unlock with a biometric. When enabled, you will need to use fingerprint, face, or other unique identifiers to open WhatsApp. That's perfect. Let's hit enable. You can confirm this with your biometric, and you can set how it can automatically lock it for you. You can either set it to immediately after 1 minute or after 30 minutes. I'll just set it to after 1 minute, or let's say immediately. Let's see how it works. And here it is. Let's try to access WhatsApp. And every time we want to access, it says WhatsApp locked. We need to confirm with our biometric, and that's all you have to do. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.